guys, so welcome to my home. Clearly I'm in the kitchen, and today I'll be showing you one of my favorite pieces that I use to decorate the top of my cabinet. So enjoy. I found this beautiful flower at Michael's along with the flower dome, which is considered to be this glass piece right here, and this base. So this base was made out of wood, and surrounding it is just crushed glass. I bought all of this at Michael's, and you can really use anything to decorate. Originally this board was a plain wood. I spray painted it silver, and then I put the crushed glass over the hot glue, and I used these pearls and diamond pieces to decorate it. The flower stem I just ended up cutting in half, and it's floating. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just floating on a nail that I put in there. So I stuck the nail in the bottom of the flower, and it gives the illusion that it's floating. Now you see this wiring wrapped around it, and that is actually a LED light. So it gives it the glowing effect. Now a lot of people call this the Beauty and the Beast flower, but really I guess it's just a flower in a dome. But I absolutely love this flower. It has pearls on it as well, and it almost has a pearl shimmer to it on the petals. It just came out very beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Very pretty, soft piece. So if you all are interested in more about this piece that I did, just leave comments below and any requests, and I'll go ahead and break it down step by step by actually showing you every single part that I did. And the flower is attached to this battery pack. I think you all can see it, but it's easily hidden, and I just stick it at the top of my cabinet, and at night it lights up. It's really pretty. So thanks for watching, and you all have a great day.